The next method we'll learn to measure the variability is called variance. The variance is a measure of the variability that utilizes all the data. So think about the disadvantage of the range. The disadvantage of the range is that it will affected by the extreme value because we only use two observations in the whole data set, the largest and the smallest. So we advance the variance, which will consider all the data set to measure the variability. So it is based on the difference between the value of each observation and the mean, x bar for the sample and the mu for the population. The variance is useful in comparing the variability of the two or more variables. So how can we calculate it? So the variance is the average of the square difference between each data value and the mean. And the variance is computed as follows. So the one I list first is for the sample. So the numerator is the summation. So this thing symbol means the summation. Xi, each observation between the difference between each observation to the sample mean x bar and the squared divided by the n minus 1, the sample size minus 1. So this formula is used to calculate the variance for the sample. So how about the variance for the population? First, we notice the difference between the notation. So we use the Greek letter sigma square for the population variance, and the numerate are similar except how do we label the mean. So we know for the population mean we use a Greek letter mu, the sample mean we use x bar, and divide by the capital M. So this is a population, the size of the population. So next video we will talk about the standard deviation.